Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your throw net on solid ground or a stable boat deck. Inspect the net for holes and tangles and replace broken weights. Choose a 10 to 15 foot nylon net with 1/2 inch mesh for small fish. Wear gloves and a life jacket and confirm local fishing regulations before you deploy the net. Coil the retrieval line neatly in your hand, leaving about 3 to 5 feet for the first throw. Practice the opening motion once before approaching the water edge. Grip the throw net with your dominant hand on the hand line and the other on coils. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and bend slightly at the knees for balance. Pivot from your hips and bring the net overhead in a smooth arc before releasing. Aim to open the net fully so it lands flat on the water surface around the target. Time the throw for visible fish or for currents that will sweep the net over them. Follow through with your arm to maximize spread and minimize tangles. After the net lands, wait 3 to 5 seconds to let weight sink and encircle fish. Retrieve the net with a steady, continuous pull, keeping tension on the hand line at all times. Bring the net on shore or the boat slowly to prevent spills and lost catch. Remove fish promptly and handle them with wet hands to reduce slime loss. Follow local rules for size and bag limits and revive or dispatch fish humanely. Rinse the net with fresh water and hang it to dry before storage to prevent mold and rot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.